This is so satisfying. Even if I know that this is only the first layer, but I need to grind it down and adjust everything on the first layer before I will put more of the carbon fiber on top. But you can already see kinda how it will look when it's finished. So I had to wait for the other camera to import and empty in the SD card. So now I have to use this camera for a little while. First we are waxing this doghouse, and after that, when this has dried for about 20 minutes, we will add the release agent. I think it's actually 6 layers that is the optimal, I think, and also it's 15 minutes between each layer. But every time I did this, I used only 1 or 2 layers with the release agent. Every time it's coming off really easy, relatively easy. I'm not so sure about this. And like always, doing something new, so I cannot ask anybody. Also, I never seen this doghouse for the Hummer H1 in all carbon fiber, so I don't think it's something you can buy. Even if it's for the Humvee, it will fit. You just need to make the mounting brackets. You will have a fully functional doghouse for your Humvee. Everything underneath is the same, so it's only to cover everything, and you can put speakers or ashtray or anything. Release agent. Also, I'm pretty sure that this brown tape is like packing tape. It will do the same job as the more expensive release tape that you can buy, and I think this is also thinner. You just need to withstand the epoxy primer. So I did a test yesterday to check if this brown tape can withstand the top coat, and it did. And this is without wax or release agent. So this is only top coat on top of this brown tape, and it's coming off, and without anything to release it. I don't think we will have a problem even with the, at least not with the release agent and wax.